Hi everyone, I am Karen Peterson and I am excited about human behavior and the social environment too. I currently reside in Lansdowne, PA, so I'm like a 20-minute drive from the Chester campus, which is really cool. Currently, I do a number of things. I literally just started a new job 2 weeks ago where I am a case management coordinator for the Healthy Start program here in Delaware County. And Healthy Start is a national federally funded program designed to improve maternal health outcomes, reduce disparities, and to impact and reduce maternal and infant mortality. And so prior to that, so that's one of the places where I actually would or might encounter folks with mental health issues. I've also owned and operated a nonprofit that worked with women transitioning in and out of homeless shelters with their children. And I'm also a labor doula and a postpartum doula, so I often also encounter folks who have mental health issues or mental health challenges in those spaces. Currently, what are my beliefs about mental health? I believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to be well, and not just physically well, but also emotionally and mentally well. And I believe access to services should be more available for anyone who needs the service. I think that in the United States, we are still working on doing a better job for providing services for folks who have mental health issues. It often is a taboo subject, and so I believe that with support and with the appropriate plan in place, people can get better, and maybe some of that is wishful thinking. Maybe that doesn't include everyone, but it's my hope that it does. And so how do I currently participate in evaluating or making a DSM-5 diagnosis? Currently, I don't. But where I work, it is my goal there is a social service portion to Healthy Start programming. It's a multidisciplinary program, so we have a lot of other sort of services that we wrap around birthing people, children and their families, and one of them is licensed clinical social workers. And so I'm hoping that as I move through this program that I'll be able to transition into one of those positions later on. So I don't currently make any of those diagnoses, and I have not in the past, but I expect that I will be moving forward. So I'm excited about this course and looking forward to looking at all of your videos. Thank you.